Hi guys, this is Anjali bringing you reading for Libra for the month of August 2020, and this is going to be a general reading. And let's start the reading. Let's see what's the energy messages for Libra. What are the messages for Libra? Okay, we have door to personal happiness here, personal healing and happiness, which means that there's this chance of you going through a healing process here, which brings so much of happiness into your life. And yeah, it also means that you are going through this phase to attract abundance in life. Okay, yeah, like sun came up, which clearly means that there is abundance, new beginnings, new start, happiness coming into your life. All right, messages for Libra, please. Messages for Libra. What are the messages for Libra? Okay. Alright. There's envy here. This is a negative energy, which means that you are not looking into your own perspective, into your own things, and you feel that you are not being there like the others, or you might be comparing yourself with another person who you feel that have done much better for themselves. Alright. And this card also clearly says that you have everything you need in your life to be happy and stable about. And I really don't think you need to compare yourself with anybody. Alright. Messages for Libra, please. Messages for Libra. What are the messages for Libra? Journey, which means that they're going to be some kind of traveling or some kind of journey here. This might be physically moving from one place to another, or this can also be a spiritual journey as well. So it means that somebody is traveling towards you, or some kind of messages coming towards you, or you might be traveling towards somebody, or you might be messaging somebody. There might be communication here, or this also means that there's some kind of spiritual journey also. You might be looking more into yourself. You're trying to take a spiritual route here. Okay. Now let's see what are the messages from the unicorns. Messages for Libra, please. Prosperity. Alright, this card says prosperity is flowing towards you, so be open to receiving it. So remove all mental blocks and get ready to attract abundance in your life. Okay. Messages for Libra, please. Messages for Libra, please. Wisdom. Be wise while making choices. Be wise and take proper decisions. Act with wisdom and people will respect you. Alright. Messages for Libra, please. What are the messages for Libra? I'm going to put these cards here so that you can see. Okay. Messages for Libra, please. Okay. Freedom. It clearly states that let the unicorns set you free, which means that you may be overthinking or something. You need to take a leap of faith and trust in the universe, which means definitely going to help you, and they're going to free you from all these troubles and worries. Then there is also a surprise card which came out. This card says look for the unexpected today. So whenever you're getting this message, there is something coming towards you which might be very surprising. Alright, now let's get into your tarot, and we'll be doing the clarifications as we go, because that will be help us get an even picture. Right, so I'm going to give it a quick shuffle. Messages for Libra. What are the messages for Libra for August 2020? What's coming towards Libra for August 2020? Messages for Libra for August 2020. Messages for Libra for August 2020. Alright guys, let's start. Okay. So what's the current energy like? Knight of Swords. which clearly indicates there's some kind of movement here. There's maybe some kind of communication here. Somebody is communicating through you, or you might be communicating with a person, or there might be some kind of thoughts going inside your head. This also means that this is an air sign. It means that Aquarius, Libra, Gemini energy here. Now, why is the Knight of Swords here? Yeah, this might be regarding an ending, alright, which means that somebody might have left you, or there might have been a sudden ending. So somebody is coming to communicate with you from the past. I really feel that somebody is coming to communicate with you from the past. Yeah, because this the World card, which brings some kind of ending or a completion here. Somebody's coming. I really feel that there's communication from somebody which you have kind of a relationship in the past, and they are coming forward with some kind of messages or something here. Okay. Now let's see what is crossing your path. The Emperor. So this is a solid energy here. This is an Aries energy, which means that somebody is taking their power, somebody is being in their power, and somebody is taking some kind of decisions here. This is a person who is very strong and motivated, and who is known to make decisions. Okay. Now, why is the Emperor here? Because of the Six of Pentacles, which means that somebody is coming towards you to bring some kind of clarity and some kind of equal give and take in a situation here. Alright. Okay. Now, why is the Six of Pentacles here? Because there was some kind of indecision. You were unable to choose, or there was some kind of indecision here. There were two opportunities or two thoughts in your head that you were not clear about. Okay. Now, what's underneath you? What's underneath you is Justice. Okay, which means that again, balance coming into a situation. There's fairness to all, and this is a card for Libra as well. Now, why is the Justice card here? Because you're balancing. There is a huge balance coming into a situation, or somebody is trying to balance the situation. This is a card for Sagittarius as well. So, which means that there is some kind of balance coming into a situation with the Knight of Pentacles. Somebody is coming in to give you a solid offer. This is a small, I think this is a very smooth, flowing, earth energy, steady, stagnant, what do you say? Very slow moving energy, alright? I really feel that this is coming towards to you in the second half of August. I don't know why, but I really feel that it's set in motion, and somebody is coming to tell you what's happening, okay? And this person who is coming towards you is going to bring some balance into your current situation. Or you might be expecting a person from Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn to come and bring some kind of balance, or you feel that they complete your world or they balance your world. Alright. Now, what's above you is the Eight of Pentacles, which means that you're putting some work or effort into completing a project, or you're honing your skills, you're working on your skills here. Okay. Which means that you're working on your skills here. Why is the Eight of Pentacles here? Yeah, there is some kind of changes coming towards you. And with this Eight of Pentacles card, why is the Moon here with the Eight of Pentacles? Yeah, there was some kind of a stagnant energy, Nine of Wands here, which means that you know what you want, and you're holding on to it, and you're not making a move or anything, but you're holding on to it. So it means that you're working on something, and which brings some kind of change, but you're holding on to the past, or you're holding on to some kind of thoughts here. Let's see what happened in the immediate past. Five of Pentacles, which means that somebody has left you in the past, or there was a lack of communication, or you feel like somebody has closed a door on the situation. Why is the Five of Pentacles here? Yeah, there was an ending of a situation. Somebody might have ended a situation with you here. Okay. Now let's see, why is the Five of Pentacles? There's some kind of completion happen, or there will be a completion. You will be starting another cycle here. You're ending one cycle and starting of the another, and you're starting something new with a water sign, or somebody is coming towards you with a message. This might be a surprising turn of events. I really feel that, because somebody is coming to offer you some kind of somebody is sending you a message, and this might be a surprising event with the King of Cups. Definitely water energy here. Scorpio, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces energy. Somebody is messaging you with some kind of emotional stability, who's very emotionally stable, who's a bit mature in their thinking. Now, let's see what's your energy like. What's your energy is the Knight of Pentacles. What you need, or what you're thinking about is bringing some kind of stabilities, or somebody's bringing some kind of stability into your current situation. Why is the Knight of Pentacles here? Ace of Cups, so wish fulfillment. So which means that you might be expecting somebody to come towards you with this wish fulfillment. And Knight of Pentacles again, Earth energy, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, and the Cups energies, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. So somebody is coming towards with you with an wish fulfillment here, and you might be starting on a new journey with the Three of Wands here. Now let's see what is your environment like. Five of Swords. There's so much of confusion here. There was such thinking. You are constantly overthinking things here. Okay. Now, excuse me. Why is the Five of Swords? Clarify the Five of Swords because of the Seven of Wands here. You might be feel that there's some kind of competition or some kind of conflict here. You might be feeling like you have to be always ready to defend yourself for a situation, for any situations that's coming up. Why is the Seven of Wands here with the Five of Swords? Ace of Wands coming out. We have two aces here, which means that there is definitely a new passionate beginning here. This is wish fulfillment and you're expecting some kind of changes in your situation which brings some passionate energy here. Again, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius here. Okay. Now, what is your guidance? The Empress card. There is a new offer. This is a new cycle. You are birthing a new idea or a new relationship, or you might somebody is giving birth to a child as well. Now let's see why is the Empress card here. Yeah, looks like a soulmate energy. I really feel that there is some kind of somebody is coming back with an offer to restart a relationship, or this might be you will be having some kind of memories, or there is nostalgia here, which means that there is some kind of things which are still holding on to, or it might be somebody coming to to you from your past. This also may mean a soulmate energy if that resonates with you. Then comes the Sun card, which means that there is happiness here. There is happiness, new beginnings, and abundance coming towards you. Now let's see what's your overall energy. What's your overall energy? Ten of Wands, which means that there was some kind of burden here, or you might be ending a burden cycle here. Now let's see why is the Ten of Wands there. Yeah, you might feel that there are two choices here. Or you might be torn between two ideas or two thoughts or two people here. Now, why is the Ten of Wands with the Two of Wands? Yeah, but there is still hope. I mean, the Star card coming out clearly says that there is hope in a situation. You might even be thinking about an Aquarius as well. So, if that means anything to you. Now, let's see. Yeah, they're definitely bringing some kind of celebration here. So, it's celebration time, guys. There is still hope, bringing some kind of celebration into a situation. As we have seen before, there is some kind of journey coming towards you, and there is some kind of healing you need to be done to go into this healing and happiness here. Come together, which means that there are fairies like to be busy and group them, and a group of them is showing you that many hands make light work. Working as a team helps the job get done. So you do not have to do everything by yourself. If you need help, you should ask for it. Okay. Now the next card is Believe in Magic, which clearly says that there is magic around you or in a situation. You need to look for small messages from around you or in your nature to bring that kind of, you might feel that there's magic around you, okay? Now there is friendship, which clearly says that through this situation you will clearly know who your real friends are, okay? And fairy spotting. There is something magical about you're reading this actually in the guidance, which means that there is magic here, there is fairy spotting, and which is all in purple, right? Which clearly means that you have to be intuitively guided, or you will be intuitively guided. And I really feel that whatever things happen around you is happening for a reason, and it's a major closing of a cycle. So there is happiness there is a journey, there is celebration here. There are things coming as a surprise as well, okay? There is a surprise card here, which means that you're moving towards a new opportunity and things will change surprisingly. Alright, so